Welcome to our channel. This is part 4 of a 6-part series on national foods around Africa. If you haven't watched part 1 to 3, please consider checking them out because they have so much deliciousness in them. Now, let's discover what foods are at the dinner table in these African countries. Ivory Coast, officially known as the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire, is a West African nation that spans approximately 322,463 square kilometers. It shares its borders with Liberia, Guinea, Mali, Burkina Faso, and Ghana. Its capital is Yamoussoukro in the center of the country, while the largest city and economic center is the port city of Abidjan. The Ivorian population is characterized by a rich mix of ethnicities, with the Bole, Bete, Senufo, and Malinke being just a few among the numerous ethnic groups. The Ivorian economy is heavily dependent on agriculture, with cocoa being the main cash crop produced, making it one of the world's leading cocoa exporters. Ivory Coast's popular dish, gaba, is usually comprised of acheke with tuna. Acheke, made from fermented cassava, serves as the base. Tuna is usually dipped in flour with spices, creating a savory, crispy topping. The dish is commonly served with a side of fresh vegetables like tomatoes, pickled onions, often drizzled with a zesty sauce made from chili peppers and citrus. Acheke with tuna is a beloved Ivorian street food known for its satisfying combination of textures and flavors. Burkina Faso, located in West Africa, is a landlocked country with a diverse landscape spanning approximately 274,200 square kilometers. It shares its borders with 6 neighboring countries: Mali, Niger, Benin, Togo, Ghana, and Ivory Coast. The capital city of Burkina Faso is Ouagadougou, a vibrant urban center known for its cultural richness and bustling markets. The country is mainly comprised of the Mossi people, who are the largest ethnic community. Sorghum is a staple food crop grown in Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso's popular dish, riz gras, also fatty rice, is a flavorful and hearty meal made by cooking rice with a variety of ingredients. Typically, it involves sautéing onions, tomatoes, and spices in oil until they form a rich sauce. Then, rice is added and cooked in this aromatic mixture, absorbing the flavors. While variations exist, common additions include vegetables like okra and eggplant, along with protein sources like chicken or fish. Riz gras is often served with a side of spicy sauce for an extra kick. Gabon, a nation located in Central Africa, boasts a landmass of approximately 267,667 square kilometers. Bordered by Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, the Republic of the Congo, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west, Gabon enjoys a diverse geographical landscape with lush rainforests, pristine coastlines, and savannas. Libreville, the country's capital and the largest city, is situated along the picturesque shores of the Atlantic Ocean. The predominant ethnic group in Gabon is the Bantu, with several distinct subgroups, while the Fang people constitute the largest single ethnic community. Agriculture is a vital component of Gabon's economy, with cassava being one of the main food crops grown, alongside other staples like plantains and yams. Gabonese Paulenyambo is a delightful dish made with tender chicken pieces simmered in a rich aromatic palm nut sauce. To prepare it, chicken is first marinated with garlic, ginger, and spices, then slowly cooked in a mixture of palm nut sauce and various seasonings, giving it a deep, earthy flavor. Typically served with a side of plantains, cassava, or rice, this traditional Gabonese dish offers a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, making it a beloved staple in Gabonese cuisine. Guinea, located in West Africa, is a diverse and culturally rich nation with land area of approximately 245,857 square kilometers. It shares its borders with Guinea-Bissau, Senegal, Mali, Cote d'Ivoire, Liberia, and Sierra Leone. The capital city, Conakry, situated along the scenic Atlantic coastline, serves as both the political and economic center of Guinea. The country's population predominantly consists of the Fulani ethnic group, but it also consists of other ethnicities including the Malinke, susu, and pue. One of Guinea's agricultural staples is rice. Guinea's pauleasa is a flavorful dish that begins with marinating chicken pieces in a zesty mixture of onions, lemon juice, and mustard. The chicken is then grilled or pan-fried until golden and succulent. Onions, marinated alongside the chicken, are sautéed until caramelized and tender, infusing the dish with their sweet, tangy flavor. Pauleasa is typically served with rice or couscous, creating a satisfying and aromatic combination of textures and tastes that embodies the rich culinary tradition of Guinea. Uganda, a captivating East African nation, boasts a diverse landscape and rich cultural heritage. With an area of approximately 241,038 square kilometers, it is bordered by 5 countries: Kenya, South Sudan, DRC, Rwanda, and Tanzania. The capital city, Kampala, serves as the political and economic hub of the country. The Baganda people are the largest ethnic group, and English is the official language. One of the staples of Ugandan cuisine is the hearty and nutritious staple crop, matoke, which is a type of cooking banana. Ugandan matoke is made by cooking green bananas or plantains with onions, tomatoes, and various seasonings. The bananas are peeled, sliced, and then simmered until tender. They are typically served as a flavorful stew, often accompanied by a sauce made with groundnuts. Matoke can be enjoyed as a side dish or a main course, complementing other Ugandan specialties like grilled meat or fish. Ghana, a vibrant West African nation, is a land of cultural richness and natural beauty. It boasts an area of approximately 238,535 square kilometers. It is bordered by Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, and Togo. Ghana enjoys a strategic location on the Gulf of Guinea, providing it with access to the Atlantic Ocean. Its capital city, Accra, is a bustling hub of commerce and culture, showcasing a dynamic blend of modernity and tradition. The Akan people constitute the largest ethnic group in Ghana. One of Ghana's primary agricultural staples is cocoa. Ghanaian fufu with palm nut sauce is a traditional delicacy made by pounding starchy staples like cassava, plantains, or yam into a smooth dough-like consistency. This fufu is often served in a rich, flavorful palm nut sauce. To prepare the sauce, palm nuts are boiled and then pounded to extract their creamy, reddish-orange pulp. Canned palm nut sauce is also used to save on time and energy. It is then cooked with various spices and protein options like fish, goat, or chicken to create a delicious sauce. The fufu is typically rolled into small balls or portions and then served alongside the palm nut sauce. Senegal, located in West Africa, is a vibrant and diverse country that boasts a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Covering an area of approximately 196,722 square kilometers, Senegal shares its borders with Mauritania, Mali, Guinea, and Guinea-Bissau. Dakar, the capital city, serves as both the political and economic heart of the nation, with its bustling streets and stunning coastal vistas. Senegal's main ethnic group is the Wolof. Agriculture plays a crucial role in Senegal's economy, with millet being one of the primary food crops grown. Senegalese cheboujen is a flavorful rice and fish dish. It begins with marinating fish in a mix of spices, lemon juice, and herbs. In a large pot, vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and cabbage are sautéed with onions and a spicy tomato sauce, creating a rich base. Parboiled rice is then added to the pot and simmered until it absorbs the flavors. The marinated fish is placed on top of the rice, and the dish is steamed to perfection. Vegetables like eggplant and okra may be added for more richness. It's a communal meal enjoyed with family and friends, often eaten by hand. Tunisia, located in North Africa, is a captivating country that spans an area of approximately 163,610 square kilometers. It shares its borders with Algeria and Libya, while its northern and eastern coasts are surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea. The capital city, Tunis, is not only the political and economic hub, but also the cultural heart of the nation. Tunisia boasts a diverse population, with the Arab-Berber heritage being the dominant ethnic group. A prominent aspect of Tunisia's agriculture revolves around the cultivation of wheat, which serves as a staple food crop for the nation. With its rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes, Tunisia is a unique gem in North Africa. Tunisian couscous is meticulously prepared by steaming coarsely ground wheat semolina, traditionally known as couscous, over a simmering stew of vegetables and protein like lamb, chicken, or fish. The couscous is first rolled into tiny granules, then steamed to perfection in a special pot called cascazia. This process ensures fluffy separate grains. Tunisian couscous is typically drenched with a flavorful sauce made from the simmering stew, often seasoned with a blend of spices including cumin, coriander, and chili peppers. It is commonly garnished with ingredients like raisins, chickpeas, and vegetables for a delightful, aromatic, and hearty dish. Malawi, a landlocked country in southeastern Africa, boasts a vibrant cultural and natural landscape with its modest size. Bordered by Zambia, Tanzania, and Mozambique, Malawi covers approximately 118,484 square kilometers. The capital city, Lilongwe, is a bustling hub of political and economic activity. The predominant ethnic group in Malawi is the Chewa. Maize is the main food crop grown, providing sustenance to the majority of its population. The country's stunning Lake Malawi is known for its crystal clear waters and abundant aquatic life. Malawian sima is prepared by boiling maize flour in water until it thickens to a dough-like consistency. It's traditionally served as a fluffy white ball of starch alongside a variety of vegetables, fish, or meat. Nsima is typically enjoyed by tearing off a small piece, rolling it into a ball, and then using it to scoop up the accompanying dishes. That's it for today. Thank you for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please stay connected by subscribing below. Let's meet in the next African adventure. This is the channel where we help you discover new and exciting tips and recipes and help you unlock your creativity.